So you've been asking, is it possible for me to build a successful YouTube channel? How can I start from 0 views, 0 subscribers to build a successful YouTube channel? My specific thrust or focus is on Africans who are thinking about building a successful YouTube channel. That is my focus. We have seen successful YouTube channels owned by Europeans and Americans, and I really sat down and I said, will we ever have truly successful Africans who are really building YouTube channels? So if you are African and if you are watching me right now, this video is for you. 0 subscribers, 0 views. Can we ever build a successful YouTube channel? Let me tell you, I have had a success. I managed to garner 4,000 subscribers in a matter of 1 month. I managed to also build a successful YouTube channel in a matter of a month, and we got about 1.2 million views. I actually got about 2.5 million watch hours because we did it well. So everything I'm going to talk about today, it's proven. It's proven. I am in Zimbabwe right now as I am speaking to you, and I want you to know that you can be Zimbabwean, you can be African, and you can have a successful YouTube channel, and this video is for you. So how do I build a YouTube channel that is successful? Point number one. You have to start it. You have to start. You know, it took me 6 months building confidence to really go before the camera so that I can be confident enough to speak to you as I'm speaking to you right now. The mother of not really being successful is procrastination. You're waiting. You're waiting for the right moment. You're waiting for the right camera. You want the right accent. You feel you're too African. So you want to change everything. You want to overweight everything, and you're saying, I cannot start until this happens. If you have a mobile phone, start the channel. Start the channel. Don't worry about mistake. Don't worry about stammering. Don't worry about stuttering. What we want is you to start. So point number 1, how do you start a successful YouTube channel? Start it. Start it. Go on the camera and take videos of yourself and upload them on YouTube. The first thing is you have to start. Everything else will come after you've started. Let's go to point number 2. After you've started your channel, it is very important for you to make sure that you share it. Tell your friends. Go on social media. Use your Facebook page. Use your Twitter account. Use your Instagram. Use Google+. Use all media avenues to market your channel so that everyone around will know you. If you've got 120 friends on Facebook, tell everyone that, guys, I have started a channel. Go and subscribe. Go and like. Begin with your circle of friends, begin with your circle of influence and share, market it so that you can really grow. So from 0, if you have 5 friends, you're going to get 5 subscribers, you're going to get 5 views already. You have grown and you have improved. Point number 3, focus on a niche. Focus on a niche. Do not be a jack of all trades and master of none. Focus on a niche. Have one niche which you are focusing on. If it's fashion, focus on fashion. If it's news, focus on news. Have one thing that you focus on, and you do it consistently and with perfection. One niche. An individual who is coming to your YouTube channel should know the reason why they're coming back. So if you are doing fashion, they're coming back to learn more about fashion. If you're doing food, they're coming back to your channel to learn more about food. If you're doing Zimbabwe news, do Zimbabwe news so that they come back to check on Zimbabwe news. If you are doing South African news, do South African news so that they can come back to learn more about South African news. Find your niche and really perfect it well. Let's go to point number 4. You have 0 subscribers. I want you to be engaging. Be engaging. Do not just focus on your channel alone. Look at other channels, connect, communicate, comment, give them likes, give them thumbs up. By doing so, you are also showing other channels that you are focusing on them also. Who knows? They will come back and check yours and they'll find that you do the same. If you are running a fashion blog, a fashion vlog, go to fashion YouTube channels again and comment on them. Comment on the recipes. Give them good comments. Do not do a sub for sub, subscribe and I will subscribe. Don't do that. Be engaging, be a human, don't be a robot. Don't just focus on your channel alone. Focus on others also and leave positive comments. They'll come back to yours and also give you positive comments also. Point number 5. Don't be shallow. Don't be shallow. Be deep. Be deep. Be well researched. It has been said, content is king. Content is king. When you stand before a camera, make sure that you know what you are saying. Make sure you know what you are doing. Make sure that it's well researched. Make sure that it is engaging. Make sure that a person can go over and over that video and learn something. Produce great content. Produce great content. Content is king. Number 6. It's very important for you as a new YouTuber to focus on the fundamentals. Focus on the fundamentals. When I say focus on the fundamentals, I mean don't just upload a YouTube video and you just wait and think it's going to give you views. If you have not done the basics, it will never grow. For example, you have to work on your titling. Title well. Make sure that you know search engine optimization, that your titles are optimized well. Make sure you know how to use your tags. Use tags. Also use hashtags. All those fundamentals, you need to take advantage of them. Don't just upload. You know, we are running a YouTube channel that is really giving us views. I have had a person who came to me and asked me a question, why is my video not getting views? I looked at it and I saw some basics had not been done. No description, no tagging was done. Even the titling, it was not according to correct search engine optimization principles. So you make sure that you focus on the basic. Title well, do tags, hashtags, and also make sure that your thumbnail is really engaging. Many individuals who are going to be checking your videos are going to be using mobile phone and they're going to be scrolling YouTube via their phone. Make sure that your thumbnails have the stop effect, whereby as they're scrolling down, let your thumbnail be that engaging. It stops them and say, what about this video? It has to be engaging. Make sure that your text is big. Focus on the basics. Then let me talk about point number 7. Point number 7. You have to focus on searchability. Focus on searchability. I spoke about building a niche. If it's fashion, every video that you are doing, it has to be focused on fashion. And find the particular word which you want to be searched for. If it's news, search the particular word which you want to be searched for. Always we know that when you are working on YouTube, you have to be current. You have to look for trending topics. If the topics that are trending, it's something to do with Mercedes-Benz, post a video on Mercedes-Benz and you make sure that you're tagging, everything focuses on that particular word. Don't just brush across everything and you're not focused. Focus on one. Make sure that that particular element is searchable. Then let me conclude and say, one of the things I learned over the month where I garnered 4,000 subscribers, 4,500 subscribers, and we managed to get 2,500 watch time and 1,500 views from all our videos is patience, patience, patience. You know, don't upload one video and you check it after an hour thinking that you're going to get a lot of views. Sometimes it takes time. Probably you're going to post 10 videos, you're going to get no views. But if you're patient, if you're consistent, you do it consistently, you are going to grow. So if you are an African and if you're watching this video is meant for you because we want to make Africa clickable. We want Africans who are going to start YouTube channels that are going to be successful. Whatever questions that you have, please feel free to ask the questions on the comment box. I'm going to respond. This is a very new channel and we are going to grow this channel together. 0 views, 0 subscribers, and we are going to prove to you that subscribers can come. And if you're African, this means we are targeting you to build a channel. Let me go back and say, start the channel. Number 2, use social media. Number 3, have a niche, focus on a niche. Number 3, also connect with others, leave comments, don't be a robot. Number 5, create great content, create great content. Number 6, focus on the fundamentals and focus on the basics. Number 7, focus on search engine optimization so that your video can be found, it can be searchable. And the conclusion that I say, be patient, be consistent, work hard, and your channel is going to grow.